Hi everybody. So in this short video, I want to show you how to use the customize icon that's at the bottom of any of your blog pages when you're logged into WordPress. So you'll notice as you scroll up or down a page, the little customize bar will appear. If you click on it, you'll see a new menu that comes in from the left while still previewing your main site. With this customize menu, you can do things like change the title of your blog or the tagline. If the tagline is supported, it would show up down here. This template that I'm using doesn't support a tagline. Likewise, if I go back, I can change colors and backgrounds. I can change fonts. Sometimes they're available, sometimes they're not. It just depends upon the template that you're using. I can add or change header images, for example. Here's the most important one, menus, okay? So again, menus. So this is a bit old, this blog, so there's only one menu. So you'll see a list of menus, maybe one or two, but you'll see some text that says primary menu, or your blog is currently set to this menu. Click on the menu, and then you'll see what is currently listed. So let's see, that's not the one. View menu, view location, top menu. Okay, so you can add items. You click on that, and now you'll see that you can add pages, you can add posts. Once we start learning more about categories and tags and such, you can add those. But you can click on any of the pages, and it'll automatically bring it over here. And then you can shift things around by just simply dragging. Okay, so what I did was I went to my customize bar down here. Then in my new menu, I clicked on menus. I chose the main menu for my blog. I clicked add items, and then I just simply clicked on the items that I want to add into my menu. So for those of you who have an about page, or for those of you who are creating your proposals, this is how you will add your about page or your proposal page to your main menu. Don't forget to click publish to save any changes that you've made. I do recommend that you play around with this new menu for customize, so you can learn more about the options you have with your site. Now, another way of doing the same thing is clicking on My Sites, and then you've got Customize under Personalize. However, notice that you can also change the theme of your blog by clicking Themes. There are many themes to choose from. Most of them are free. I don't think you need to pay for one, so you might want to just look at the free blogs that are available to you. And there's lots of cool templates. Now, one thing that I really like is when you click on the three little dots, you'll notice that you can see a live demo of what that blog looks like. You can activate the template immediately to change the way your blog looks, or you can try it and customize it so you can see how your personal blog might look, and you can play around with the customization, and then if you like it, you can activate it later. So for example, if I click try and customize for this one, it'll take my old site and it'll show me what it might look like based upon this new theme. So if you want it, you could activate it and publish it. So feel free to change themes as often as you want. You can edit your menus, you can change background images and titles as often as you want. You never have to pay for anything, so don't buy any templates, just use the free ones. Let's look at another example. Let's see what apostrophe 2 looks like with my site. Okay, so many of them you have to do some work with in terms of adding your header image, choosing your content options, selecting your home page. So again, it's important to play around here. But again, the most important thing for you to remember is your Customize tab. And when you're actually looking at your site, you'll always be able to see the Customize down here. Notice that when I click the three dots, it offers me some other options. If I click into a page, for example, you'll notice that now I have customize and edit, so I can edit any page that I'm on. If I'm in a post, likewise, I'll see edit, and I can edit that. But most pages and most posts also offer you an edit option directly in the post and page. One last thing I want to show you is comments. Anytime somebody leaves you a comment, you'll be able to come back to your blog, go to comments, and then you'll see a list of comments here, and you can approve them, mark them as spam, you can add them to the trash, you can like them, so on and so forth. Okay? So don't forget to be checking your comments on your blog, because your classmates will be leaving you comments, and I might be leaving you comments. Make sure you approve them, so when your classmates come back, they see that you actually saw their comment and it's now public on your blog. I hope these tips are helpful. Feel free to send me emails or text messages if I can create any other videos to make your life easier using WordPress.